Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to the House of Jen. Does your wardrobe need a spring refresh? Today, I am unboxing my huge ThredUP thrift haul and trying on some of my favorites. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and let's do this. Hey, friends. I am super excited to unbox my big ThredUP thrift haul with you. Oh my goodness. If you have not shopped ThredUP, this is like not even sponsored by ThredUP. I just love ThredUP. Okay. So I'm going to unbox this and you will not believe how much I spent on this haul. I got 13 different items. 13. I know it sounds like a lot, but you know, it is this time of year where we do our wardrobe refresh. So I'm going to open this up with you. I love getting this big polka dotted box. It just makes me happy. So, and y'all, does anybody have trouble opening boxes? Is it just me? I have scissors here. Okay, so they have it where things are not going to come out, are they? It's like how I wrap my presents. When I wrap presents, I use so much Scotch tape. It is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, I think we've got this. Let's see. I'm just gonna actually cut the cardboard. It has a neat little thing where it tucks in, but oh well. Okay, so got nice little air packing here. Little packages. I like that they put, oh, they approve of my pics. Hey, nice pics. I have a feeling they use that sticker for everybody, right? Not just mine. Okay, but you can see if you like my pics that I got. It feels like a big present to myself. Okay, the first one is this little blue top. Okay, and this is for working out. Now there is a little spot here that I'm going to have to try. I think I can get that out easily. But I will say, when you get used, you are taking a risk, but the quality is super nice. This material is super, super nice. And it doesn't bother me. It really doesn't bother me. If you are one of those people that you have to shop new because there might be a little stain or something, you may not want to do it. But if you know how to use the wash, shop ThredUP. Okay, this one I thought was really pretty. This is kind of like a delphinium blue. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Like that willow blue type of almost china kind of pattern. I like that it has kind of cinched in at the waist. You know, you can wear it for so many different events, and I like that it doesn't wrinkle. So there's that one. This is a little throwback, y'all. I thought this was fun. It even has the tag on it. Oh, this is fun. So look what the tag says. $69.50. Woohoo. Okay. And this is Charter Club. So this I thought was kind of preppy. And I'm really into this pattern. Like, I don't know if they call it like chinoiserie or whatever, but I just thought it was so super duper duper cute. And I'm really excited. I will have to try on a few of these to show you what they look like. Okay, so that was really cute. Oh, I like this. Okay, I'm a big fan of mint green. And I feel like this top, this is cool, y'all. It has a little back, like a little tail. It does have a little tail. So I would picture these with maybe like leggings, perhaps. You know, I wear a lot of black leggings, sometimes probably too much. You could even wear it with white leggings, but I just feel better with like darker on the bottom. If you're that have the little super skinny like stork legs, then you can like, okay, so body positivity, we all can wear whatever you feel good in. But for me, I am speaking for me, I don't want to wear lighter on the bottom than on the top. So please don't hate. Don't put a bunch of hate comments for what I just said, but to each his own on that. Okay. Now, I got this, which I thought was cute. Okay. This was really a pretty dress. I love the blue and white dress. Okay. I thought it was really, really pretty and summery, springy. Okay. Can you tell a theme? I guess when I was shopping, I was really drawn to the blue and the white. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this one is super cute. Little thread here. But these all look like they're in really good condition. And I'm excited about that. So I'll have to try on a few for you. Okay, now we're into the pinks. Oh, they kind of even like laid all the blues together and the pinks together. That was nice of you. ThredUP. Okay, this one is really nice, like soft spun shirt. I love material, just something that I can work out in. Again, this is just more of a casual top. And then this was cute. It was like candy stripes, right? I felt like the little blouse with the little pink and white and the ruffle detail I thought was so super sweet and very versatile. Okay, so now we have a yellow dress here. Okay, again, although I really love it, there is a little staining right there. And I think I can get that out in the wash, but my goodness, I thought it was really pretty. It's a one shoulder. I usually don't do, is it a one shoulder? It looks like it's a one shoulder. I usually don't do this type. So this is a wild card, but I really do like the yellow. So I don't know. We'll see. So if most of the items work, yay. If all the items work, then double yay. That's just kind of how it is when you unbox. It's a surprise, but that makes it more fun. Again, I like yellow. This is a fun little dot shirt. It has the little pocket and the little white lining. I think it is very, very, very lemony, and I like it. Oh, another pink. Okay, this is a cute little pink dress. Is this pink or purple? Comment below. It's kind of a pinky purple, I guess, but I like this material. I like this material on pillows. I like this material on curtains, and I guess I like the material on dress. So we'll see if that works. I did get one off season. Okay, the familiar little buffalo check. I have pillows like this. This just screams fall to me, and I feel like I could add a scarf along the neckline, or you could put boots with it. Anyway, I thought it was cute. I actually have pajamas that look almost exactly like that. So we shall see. And then I have a mint green dress, which I thought was really pretty. I was trying to branch out and get more color. As you can see, that was kind of my goal. So we are at the end of the box here. We are at the end of the box. Has the, oh, they sent me a little bag if I want to send things back to them. That is so lovely. I love ThredUP. I really do. I get very happy. And oh, by the way, I'll have to tell you, I said I wasn't going to tell you how much I spent. It was, y'all, it was all less than $75 shipped. No, I literally said that. Not for one item, for all 13 items. I believe my total was $74.66. How did I do it? I'm a really good shopper, and I had a promo code too. So, y'all, this took a long time to find these items. If you pull up the items, they're going to show you so many different options, but if you really, really take the time, I mean, like less than $75 shipped, that is unheard of. So let's try some on of these little cute clothes, and you can kind of tell me which ones you like the best, and maybe it will inspire you to find things that suit your style. Before I try on my clothes, I wanted to show you how easy it is to search for items on ThredUP. So say I type in butterfly blouse, look at all the beautiful options that come up, and I can compare them side by side. If you are like me and love a good sale, then check out the sale tab on ThredUP. It is like a little treasure hunt, and you never know what you are going to find. Okay, friends, so I really like the pinstripe dress. It's very lightweight. It has ruffles, which I feel a little like girly girl if you go to a tea or something with this. And it feels kind of spring summery, and I like it. So let's try on a few more. More pinstripes. Okay, I love the bias cut on this, and it is, even though it's pinstripe, it's a different kind of pinstripe look. Very nautical, very beachy. I feel like I could go and have a picnic on the beach. Okay, y'all, I literally have curtains in my boutique room with this little kind of knobby, kind of, I don't know what you call it, the knobby textured polka dot pattern, and I obviously love that. But I love how lightweight this is. It kind of has the little, you know, flow to it, and it has a little pocket here and here if I don't know what to do with my hands, right? And I thought it's super cute, so let's try on another one. Okay, friends, I absolutely love this kind of jersey t-shirt, kind of preppy style look. If I'm wanting more of a kind of, I don't know, a little more polished yet casual look, this is a go-to dress. Okay, you guys, actually this one is a little bigger. It's a little too big. So I don't know, hopefully I'll be able to do something with it, but I think I probably got the wrong size on this one because, you know, some mediums in brands are not the same as mediums in other brands. And so you just have to kind of go with it. But I do like the color, so maybe I can think of some kind of creative way to kind of cinch it in. But I do like the color. Okay, so this is the yellow shirt. I did not buy this jean skirt. I already owned it, but I do feel like this top could be easily tucked in or tucked out because it is a long shirt, okay? Now, if I would not wear this with this skirt because it just wouldn't do anything for it. But slim fitting pants with a long top, I could totally do it. But I like the little yellow. Okay, so what I thought was a one shoulder dress is actually a tie behind the neck dress, which I'm actually relieved because I really don't look the best in one shoulder dresses. But I love how yellow, lemon yellow, again, it has a little spot, so we'll see if we can try to get that out. But I really love the color. I'm willing to take the risk. Okay, y'all, I actually surprisingly like this top. It was a wild card, but I feel like I could do a little chewing gum commercial in it. It's very minty fresh, has the tails, and I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. Okay, so another pinstripe top, but I always feel a little happier when I wear pink. I don't know, are y'all like that? But with the little ruffles, I think are fun. And I don't know, it feels like, again, like Candyland, candy striped, whimsical, and it's fun. Okay, so I had to get this dress because I love the colors. It's almost like that Moroccan sort of a tile pattern, and I love the mint green. I don't always do the keyhole kind of shirt. I just don't. But I feel like the pattern and the colors are worth it. And it is a longer dress, so it's modest, it's conservative. It's a little roomy, but I could throw on a belt. So really, you guys, I'm not gonna try on the hot, out of season buffalo check dress because it's just hot in here. And then the workout tops, they're just plain. But I hope that gave you some fun ideas. So really 12 out of the 13 items worked, and really one of them I probably could make work if I just cinched it in. So I think that's a win. But oh my goodness, y'all, if you've not tried ThredUP, you don't want to miss out. It is so much fun, and it's just fun to refresh your wardrobe. Okay, friends, so I am here at my closet here, and whenever you get a new little clothing spring refresh haul, you want to make sure that you empty out some of your items so you don't get so cluttery, if you know what I mean. So we are going to empty out 13 items very, very quickly. Okay, this is not a scary thing, okay? I am very, very picky too. So I love to say, how do I feel in this outfit? Do I want to save it for later? And so this is not an emotional declutter. This is a very, very simple declutter. We are going to remove 13 items from the closet, okay? but it's going to be a lot easier than you think, and I'll tell you why. I am going to pull out only long-sleeved items first, okay? I mean, how easy is this? We are just going to put this in our seasonal tub, okay? And it's gonna be super easy. I seem to have hooked my hanger here. Oh my. There we go. Okay, so that's one. I like this shirt. One. Okay, here is another long sleeve shirt. That makes two. Boom. How easy is this? Okay, y'all, this is so easy, okay? And, oh look, definitely not vlogging in the spring closet. So that makes three. Okay, I'm gonna try to go quicker. 4. 5, another long sleeve. Yeah, I probably should have buttoned that one. It's kind of disheveled. What did I say, 5? I think I said 5. 6, long sleeve. 7. I should go in my other closet, this jean skirt. I really need to get it together here. Okay, 7. 8. 9. Oh, we're almost there. Oh, hold on. That was 9. I need like 4 more. 4 more. Oh, here's one. 10. Long sleeve. 11. Almost there. 12. And 13. We did it. We did it. We got rid of 13 items and in less than 3 minutes. Now, is that not the easiest closet declutter? You don't have to set a 5-minute timer because I hate being rushed. Do you hate being rushed? I hate being rushed. Now I can add my 13 items back in here. We have a spring refresh, a closet declutter. We saved so much money, which gives you more room for that shopping budget. Okay, right? Friends, you have to see the ThredUP thrift haul finds. It's hard to say in my closet because it makes me happy, and I think it's going to make you happy too when you find yours, okay? Because ThredUP is amazing. Can I just say that? Like, before I show you this. So you know that phrase, what is it? You can't have your cake and eat it too. You know, like you can't, it's like an idealist, because I can always be an idealist, right? So you can't like have the quality, expensive looking clothes and pay like hardly anything for it. Well, with ThredUP, I feel like I can have my cake and eat it too. So I'll show you. All right, I'm gonna bring you over here with me. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I have my yellows. Okay, I have a yellow on now. I feel like yellow is so spring/summer, like cheerful, like egg yolks, like new beginnings, sunshine happy. So we have that. Okay, now the minty green shirt, striped, pinstriped, pinks. I kind of somewhat color coordinated everything. So, you know, it's not perfect. Obviously, I showed my husband, he's like, you got a lot of clothes in there. So I should probably do another kind of like closet purge at some point, but I'm really not ready to do that yet. So I obviously am digging all the chinoiserie. I love that word, chinoiserie, kind of that Wedgwood blue and the blue and white stripes. But I feel like, you know, my closet looks a lot happier. And I just wanted to share, when I love something, I share it with you. And so I hope this was beneficial to you on your journey. So like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.